Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my wonderful subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to click that subscribe button below and also click on that bell icon. It will definitely notify you whenever I upload a new and interesting video. So in today's video I am going to be showing you 5 ways that I use rice water on my natural hair. So you all know that I like rice water, the implemented one, the one that you leave overnight or 24 hours. That is the one that I normally use on my hair and on my skin. So what I do is that I put it and I leave it to sit there overnight. That is it. And also you can boil rice and use the water, but for me I use this method. I have a video that I showed how I make this. In this video I am not showing you how I make my rice water. I have did that already. So let me go in and show you how I use rice water on my hair. So number one ways that I use rice water on my hair is, oh yeah, before I go on, there's one question that I would like to answer. One of the viewers that watch my other rice water video, rice water rinse hair video, asked me, should I store, I can't remember how the question went. Is either should I store my rice water or should I keep my rice water? Usually I don't keep my rice water before, but recently I have started using a lot of rice water, and I did my research and I found out that yes, it's okay to leave it in the fridge for a week, only 1 week. After that, dump it and make another one. And for me, I feel like it is important to use it fresh. Don't leave it too long in your fridge. So number one ways that I love to use my rice water is as a dandruff treatment on my scalp. So what I do is I take one of this, I open my hair first of all and get my root. Alright, get it down on my root. And I take one of this bad boy and then I dump my rice water in it. Get it soaked properly and just use it at the root of my hair. Just let it get under your scalp properly and use it and massage down at the root of the hair. And also for your rice water, the implemented one, try and dilute it a little bit with water, because you know it is protein and you don't want too much of protein on your hair. So try and dilute it first before you use it. So after that, another way that I like to use rice water on my hair is pre-poo. So I am going to sprinkle the rice water all over my hair and leave it to sit there for maybe 10 to 15 minutes, and then I go in and wash my hair with my shampoo. That is the pre-poo method. And this method is so effective because it protects your hair from, you know, the shampoo, the harshness of the shampoo that you're going to put on your hair, giving your hair that moisture that your hair needs, allowing your hair to become moisturized, and then protect your hair from the shampoo so that the shampoo will not take out all the moisture from your hair while using the shampoo. I have finished applying it on my hair, I'm going to just cover it and let it sit there for 10 minutes, and then I will rinse my hair out. So this is me after the pre-poo and washing off my hair with shampoo. The number 3 method that I like to do on my hair is deep conditioning with rice water. I am going to dry out a lot of the excess water from my hair first before applying the rice water on my hair. After drying off the excess water from my hair, I am going to go in and sprinkle my hair with rice water. I'm going to cover my hair and leave the rice water deep condition on my hair for 30 minutes. After washing off my deep conditioner, the next thing that I like to do on my hair with rice water is rice water rinse. I'm not actually gonna show that method because I have a video. I'll leave it here and you'll see how I do the rice water rinse. Basically, apply it all over my hair, apply the rice water all over the hair, and then leave it for 15 minutes and rinse it off. That is the number 4 thing that I like to do on my hair, and that is rice water rinse. The last thing that I like to do on my hair with rice water is a leave-in conditioner or a moisturizer. So basically, I sprinkle the rice water all on my hair, and then I put a cream and oil, and I either twist it up or braid it up. I try and massage it in very well on the hair, and then I take a little bit of cream and then I add a little bit of oil. And then I twist up that section, and that is basically the last thing that I like to do on my hair with rice water. Number 1 thing that I like to do is dandruff treatment. I like to use it as a pre-poo. I like to do a deep conditioner with it, and I like to use it as a rinse, and then I like to use it as a moisturizer, kind of leave-in conditioner. So guys, this is the video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more natural hair tips and food recipe and skin DIY as well. Subscribe and stay tuned to my channel, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.